Hi everyone, welcome back to Laiba's English Corner. Today we will learn how to describe a pie chart in IELTS Writing Task 1. I will show you how to cover all the basics using this example of energy production in 1995 and 2005. Now let's discuss the content of this lesson. In this lesson, we are going to discuss what is a pie chart basically and how to describe a pie chart in IELTS exam. Number two, some important vocabulary words and how to structure your answer in 4 paragraphs of IELTS exam. Then we will have a model answer as a sample and we will discuss band 9.0 structure of IELTS Writing Task 1 pie chart. Now we are going to discuss what is a pie chart. You already seen in the thumbnail that pie chart is like a circle which is divided into slices. Each slice represents a percentage of the total. The bigger the slice, the larger the proportion it represents. In IELTS, your job is to describe the main trends, compare data, and highlight changes without adding personal opinions. No personal opinions are allowed in IELTS examination task 1. Now we are going to discuss the task requirements. First of all, the important thing is that we have to summarize the information which is given. Either it is for line chart or for the bar graph or for the pie chart, etc. We have to compare the key features. We have to highlight the similarities, the differences, and the trends. We can write at least 150 words and more than 160 to 170 words, not more than it. You will be given 20 minutes for this task and no personal opinions and conclusion is allowed in task 1. Let's understand the pie chart before describing it into the paragraphs. So this is the comparison of energy production of the country France. There will be given the statement and here you can see the data is of 2 years, one of 1995 and second of 2005. Here multiple natural resources are discussed like coal, like gas, nuclear, petrol and other. Now we can see that there are the portions, the slices are divided of the circle. For example, in 1995, coal was 29.80% production in France, while in 2005, coal production is 30.93%. Similarly, for gas in 1995, there was 29.63%, while in 2005, there is 30.31 production of gas. Now we will see that how to structure your IELTS Task 1 answer, which is for 9.0 band. For that purpose, you have to organize your answer into 4 paragraphs. Number 1, the introduction, which is very much easy. We just have to paraphrase the main statement that is given. Next is the overview. In overview, no numbers are allowed. We are just highlighting the main trends of the graph. In the paragraph number 3, which you can see features, in that we have to write the year and the percentages and same as for the paragraph number 4. Remember, no conclusion or personal opinion is allowed in writing task 1. Now we are going to start with writing the introduction of the pie chart. Remember that you have to go through the chart well in order to write accurately. So for the pie chart introduction, what you need to do is to paraphrase the main statement that is given. The statement is, the pie chart below shows the comparisons of different kinds of energy production in France in 2 years. So we can paraphrase it like, the two pie charts illustrates the proportion of 5 sources of energy production, coal, gas, nuclear, petrol and other sources in France in 2 years, 1995 and 2005. In this way, we are not repeating anything other than the name pie chart because pie chart cannot be changed into bar graph or any other graph. So pie chart will remain pie chart, France will remain France, But what we have to do, we have to paraphrase it. We can add our own synonyms instead of those which are given in the text. We can use our own synonyms to make it a little different. But remember, no personal opinion is allowed. Next paragraph would be the overview. In overview, we are not going to write any number, any percentage. What we are going to do, we are going to write the main trends, the main things which are highlighted in the graph. We are going to write them in our overview paragraph. So we can write like, overall, in both years, coal and gas accounted for over half of all energy production, while the least was other energy sources. There was only a very minimal increase in production from gas to coal, whereas nuclear and other sources doubled. Petrol was the only energy source to decrease over the period. Now you can see it is very much clear in the chart that gas and petrol are the two resources which have taken a lot of space in the circle, while petrol, which was 29.27% in 1995, decreased to 19.55% in 2005. So these are the main trends which you have to highlight in your overview paragraph. You don't have to mention any number over there. In paragraph number 3 and paragraph number 4, we can give detailed information about some categories, compare the remaining categories, and mention any notable changes. Remember that you can highlight all the years, all the percentages. So for writing efficiently in paragraph number 3 and 4, the better way to do is you can divide the data. For example, in this graph, you can take petrol as for paragraph number 4, while all others for paragraph number 3, because petrol is something which is very much clear, it is decreasing over the period of time. So for paragraph number 3, energy produced by coal comprised of 29.80% in 1995, and by 2005 it is increased by about 1% to 30.9%. Likewise, the amount generated by gas went up by approximately 1% from 29.63% in the first year to 30.1% by the final year. The use of nuclear power rose significantly from 6.40% in 1995 to 10.10% in 2005. Other sources of energy production accounted for 4.90% but then climbed to 9.10%. So this is the best way to write. You can divide the information for paragraph number 3 and paragraph number 4. If you think that we are writing too much in paragraph number 3, you can take some of the main information for paragraph number 4 as well. I myself have selected petrol for paragraph number 4 because it is decreasing a lot in the given period of time. So you can write like, petrol on the other hand produced 29.27% of all the energy in 1995, but 10 years later only 19.55% of energy came from this source. So this is the best way to structure your answer. In this video, we have understand that how to structure your pie chart answer into 4 paragraphs. Total words which are used in this answer are 177. Minimum is 150. Maximum you can exceed up to 30 to 40 words, not more than it. Try to paragraph your answer in the same way in order to get 9/9. I hope you understand much from this pie chart example. Other than it, I have already explained bar chart and line graph. I will provide the link of those videos in the description as well. Task 1 is very much the same, just the information they are presenting is in a different way, but the answer sample is totally same, the structure is same. So I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel Laiba's English Corner for further good interesting videos related to English. Thank you so much for watching the video.